What are you wanting, Bentley?
Up on the bed, I guess.
What do you want? Bentley, what do you want?
Too bad we can't have America's Funniest Videos.
What's the matter? What do you want, Bentley? Honey? What?
Oh, I think I know.
What is it?
I know I hear a voice.
What do you want?
Oh.
What do you want, Bentley? Move your hand, please, Michelle. See what he'll do. Bentley. See if we can attract him. Put your hand down and see if we can attract him. What do you want?
That was easy.
Okay, hold on.
Oh. Up and away.
Where are you going? Go on over there.
Yeah. Over, whatever. Yeah.
Go on, you can do it.
Oh, yeah. He did it.
Oh, so cute. Bentley, you want a wiener?
Oh, you want this instead of the wiener?
What? What do you see? What do you see? Hi, Bentley. Oh, yeah, you're a sweetheart. Okay, you have fun with Michelle, okay?